Welcome to Petty's Garage, and I'm Richard Petty. And this is our brand new DynoJet dyno. Our relationship with DynoJet goes back many years, and we're excited to have this dyno installed and ready to run. Attention to detail has been hallmarks for everything we've ever rolled out of here. So it makes sense for DynoJet to be the only choice for our in-house dyno. Our drivers and customers are going to love this, knowing that we provide a service that Petty's Garage is famous for, plus DynoJet innovations. This is a great day for our shop, one I've been looking forward for a long time.